Should we open it for him?
Well, you guys can help him. Wait, I don't think he needs help.
Hold on. Ow. Need help in there? Look. Yes, it smells everything. Look!
No!
Uh-oh.
Just
Oh.
No, you
I
can't
see.
eat it.
Ooh, yeah. Go fetch it. Go fetch the stick.
Well, open this other one.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
Tyson.
Tyson, look!
Look what I bought you. I bought you. Does he just chew on her?
Yeah, they're just chew treats.
Oh.
Well, Tyson's done for the year.
Yeah. That's
Got a
only
birthday coming up next month.
Now, you open yours.
He's like, I don't want that squeaker. Give me some food.
Can I give one of these?
Give him his little, here.
No.
He already took it. Give him that. Let him chew on that for the rest of the day. Well,
It
10
won't.
minutes.
No, that did.
Did
Do
you
you
read
hear his nose going?
this? Mountain drool. Drool.
Wait, be patient.
I guess I'm opening that big one, Dad, first.
Huh?
Guess I'm opening that big one first.
No, you're not.
I think that's for me.
No, to me.
I thought it was for Tyson.
It's freaking my toy.
Here. There you go.
Yeah, I always have to go in that same spot. You always have to go in that same spot.